सब्सक्राइब कीजिए माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस बेल आइकॉन फॉर लेटेस्ट अपडेट।
Respected teacher, my dear friend, good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to tell you a story on cleanliness. Once upon a time, there lived a small, young and sweet girl. But she was not clean at all. One fine afternoon in her home, she decided to eat a banana because she was very hungry. While she was eating banana, she threw the banana peel in the dustbin and went to sleep. The next morning, her mouth was full of ants and it was itching a lot. When she went to washroom and start cleaning. When she came outside of the washroom, she fell down and she got hurt. She did not see that there was a banana peel on the ground. She threw the banana peel in the dustbin, and from that day she realized her mistake. She decided to eat a banana because she decided to be clean always. Thank you.